Woo! Had you look too close. You was too close. Give me space, you know. Space. That was my fingers. That was, you know. I've been dicking around all day. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise Channel with another episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. Run that intro. What we doing today, we doing lights and quad locks. Yeah, I hope that's what's in that package. Velcro! No. It says it's from QuadLock. What is that? Oh, that's that Loctite stuff. Where's this thing at then? These, because I changed the bars and then the end of that, whatchamacallit, God. Wireless charger. I needed a spacer. Hopefully this give me enough space. I thought, I guess they put both of them in the same bag. Or maybe you order one, you get two. Or QuadLock, quantity one. Okay, I guess so. But you get two inside, so maybe one from her and one for them. It gives you, maybe you can use two locks and move it way out. And then use the short one. We'll figure it out, but that's what I got. This is to space this out. So that'll be pretty easy, simple. And that way I can turn it because my phone, OCD, you know. It's not straight. But we're doing lights. See, look at Lucy. She's purple. No, she's white? Blue? I don't know what color. It's supposed to be white. So that's what we're working on. And this is my breather intake dealio. And I put this behind it. This is the front of it. And then I ran this wire, make it look pretty and gives it more. This is Autotech split sleeve looms, and this is the quarter, and it's easy to use. I mean, it's not like that old plastic gun. This is it's plastic, but it's not like the old loom, and it's pretty too. So I done did that and got the wires run and figured out how I was gonna do this, and I done dicked around with making Mr. Mustache. You know, over there. You know, he's not over there, but that's his shirt. He wanted some sliders for his other motorcycle. I wish he's got two motorcycles, ultra classy. And so I made him some sliders up, set them off. They on his way to Ohio. OH! Yeah. So I got this on here, and I need to hook it up and pull my wires back through. And yeah, let's do that. Put that on there, and then we'll come back and do the QuadLock. Yeah, buddy. So here I is, sitting down here in the floor, and see, these are sliders that I made him, titanium double thing. So I need to pull that wire because he got a lot of wire. See, I done had to pull all this off down in here to get the side colors, and you start messing with stuff start tearing up. You notice that? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Come on, go through there. There you go. So we'll stick these back on. I'll finger it out of the way. I would use the impact, but you don't want to ugga-dugga on your outer body too much. So I'm going to ugga-dugga them down. Woo! Snug. Snug. Oh, I know what I use that one for. I'm going to use it right now. You got to put these back in. Should I put some Loctite on there? I think I should. I should have put some Loctite on there, but that one didn't need. This one has Loctite. Go on, boat, honey. Put the lick in you. I don't want you licky, 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 licky. Licky, locka, locka, mocka. Alright, we got those locked tight. That. Put your lid back on the thing that's knocked over. Yeah, buddy. Stick these back through because that's your breather. That's the pressure. Goes into your carburetor, you know, pollution stuff. Well, that was easy. Ooh, snug. Torque. Torque, torque. Tight nose, Dave. Torque. 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 You don't put a lot on there. Whatever you do, don't crack that water body. The water body. And you got these little clips thingies. Goes on like so. Push them on there. With that big tube thingy, hopefully it won't have a lot of blowback. Which I didn't see a lot of it like I did before with the old style. Alright, now. Boy, I could have enough to run this wire clean back to there, couldn't I? Huh. What are you doing up here? Oh, that's why I got to plug you up here too. Well, let's see. I should have zip tied that one like I should have did. You son of a ball player. Well, I probably got ahead of myself. Well, I got all that back together here, and then I got a lot of water. Maybe I can just plug that into one of them and skip all that. I believe that's what I can do. What I get, I'm using this stuff I got off Amazon, and it seems it's a good system for like $79, and then you can buy extra. Read all about it. Stuff like this, but I bought 2 sets because I was gonna put one on her Can-Am, and I said it's too much trouble, but I'm probably gonna add some to it when I get some other stuff I got ordered. It's been backlogged since last year. Maybe we'll get them soon. So I'm gonna pull this. How'd you go up there? Like so down in here. Oh, boy, and then pooted. Oh, that'll wake you up. There you go, right there. And plug it up. Plug it up. Plug it up. Come on now. Don't bend a pin. Now, what you doing here? Why ain't you plugging up? Because I got turn it the right way. All them plugged up, all of them working. You can't see it right now, but they are all working. And I used hopefully just glue in there. Sugru, sure glue. It's moldable glue. SUGU, sure glue, and it's kind of like JB Well, but not. It's moldable, and it's not the mixed up gel, but you can get JB Well that's moldable. It's sure glue. It works. What I'm saying. So I think that'll work. Those are back in there. Let's put the breather back on and I can button all this up. Today's riddle of the day. What side of a chicken has the most feathers? Leave your answer down in the comments. Torqued. 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 I just can't speak today. All my tools, I've got a good. I ain't got a perfect. It's tools I've got over years. I need a 5/16 12-point socket to take those off. I don't have it. I got a couple of 10s, millimeters, But I ain't got a 5/16 12 point, because a regular 5/16 won't work. You gotta have a 12 point. So that's on there. I need to clean off. I got my
gas tank lifted up. Polish them up a little bit. Got dirt in there, but yeah, can't get my fingers back in there. I wonder if I knew somebody with little hands.
Alright, well let's clean them wires up, drop my tank back down, and tighten all that back up. Alright, well now, on to the QuadLocky. QuadLocky? Yeah, these are the best phone mounts ever invented. And mine's wireless charging. Yeah. I'm bragging, ain't I? Shouldn't be bragging. That's what they. It's one of the 7 sins. Ain't good. No, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. So
Let's hold that till it falls. QuadLock provides you. Well, you got.
I'll make sure. I think it's like $9 for this little spacer. Hopefully that's all I need. Would that one go back in there? Like so. That might be the longer one. So, you ain't gonna put it on. You gotta put the thing on there. Which way? This goes that way. Hopefully. Put it all back together the right way. Only got one hand to do all this, huh? How about that? Get it first try. Oh, nope, need the longer one. Need the longer one. I knew that. I knew that. One from a longer one for the wife, because she needs to do the same thing. I've got to go on first, and then it goes on, and you stick that on like so. Sticks that through there like so. Goes the other way. I knew that. I don't give you much to.
Oh, yeah, you're so. What I need now is a. What was that, Bohan? Door's popping in. Might have to loosen all them zip ties up. Lucky, I got a cutter right here. Oh, let's snip these off, because I got to pull new wires now. Always something. Yep. I need my phone. Before I tighten it down, I'll tighten it down. I don't need it, because I can tell you right now it's crooked. Push and turn.
Yep, it's crooked. Can't have that. Watch me nude it the wrong way. That's just me, my luck. Another click. Let me click all these and I'll be right back. I can live with that. Yeah, it looks straight. A lot of people like to run there. I don't know. I like doing it that way. So let me get some more zip ties now and put these up. And then I need my cutters. What you see, Bohannon? Who's up there? Zip. Why do they call them zip? Because they zip. When you pull on them, they zip. Zip. Zidoo-dah. Zippity-day.
Oh, what a wonderful day. Zippity-doo-dah. Zippity-day. I guess you're... Zippity-doo-dah. Zippity-day. Zippity-doo-dah. Snip. Snip. You guessed it. Snip. You charging? No. You're charging now. I'm at 39%. on the Weather Channel.
I know you can't see much, but that's what it's doing. Huh? Let's see. What can I get? Let's see. That's smooth, I believe. That's strobing. So you change colors. You can pick what color you want. That's red. That's blue. That's green. And then you can think on the remote there. There goes SUZCO. You can slow it down. Amber all the way down on this side. And then the other side does the same thing. But when you hit the brakes, they all light up red, except for, they all light up red. No matter if I got it cut off or what, they'll light up red and turn. Like this side turning, you see all my lid up here, in here, and in here. Yeah. So you know I'm turning right. I can't see nothing. My old tripod about wore out. Well, there you have it. That's the little Loom things and my QuadLock stuff. And yeah, I'm beat. So hopefully I'm gonna let that shear glue set up. You need to let it set up for a while because it's not communicating right, I guess. I took one of these pins so I can go to Home Depot and pins, nuts, bolt, whatever. So I have a longer one put on hers. Check out that video right about there. That one there. Come over and hit the subscribe button and we'll catch you later on another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed.